How to delete email on trust permanently in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, okay, go to left side and find the trust. Okay, click the trust. And now you can see here all email on trust. To delete all email, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow down on the top of this email and select all. And now we have successfully select all email on trust. Okay, click the select all 255,509 email on trust. And after that, click the delete icon on the top of this email. Okay, now you can permanently delete the selected email. Okay, click this and the pop-up bar show, and now you can select the OK. And now deleting all conversation or email on trust. Okay, waiting to delete all email into 100%. Now guys, 95%, 5% more to delete all email. Okay, that's it. We have successfully delete all email on trust permanently in Yahoo Mail on computer.